Hey friends, if you wish to clean up disk space in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So it's not very difficult. Here's what we have to do. First, search for disk cleanup in the window search bar and open disk cleanup. Click on OK. Let it open the window. Check all of these boxes here, each and every one of them, and then click on OK. Now just see how much of space it will be releasing. Delivery optimization files 585 MB, recycle bin 5.47 GB. That's huge. Temporary files, okay, they are less, but otherwise we can free up a lot of space. Click on delete files and it will start deleting the files and it will clear the folders. So this is one thing. The next thing that I usually advise is to go to the downloads folder and then find all files that you wish to delete, like this one, and right click on it and delete it. Delete as many files as possible. Okay, after this you can consider uninstalling redundant applications. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the apps tab on the list on the left hand side, select installed apps, and then you can choose them by date installed and check whichever app is not required, like this one, and just uninstall it. Okay, this is how you can free up a lot of disk space. Obviously after that you will have to start deleting media files, but that's a different thing. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.